Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm LaDonna and I'm back with another video. I am back with another video. So in today's video, I'm coming to you guys with the Ipsy icon, or the Ipsy, what is it called? The Ipsy Ultimate Box for the month of November 2025. The box is like 60 bucks. You get eight full size products, and you get to choose 3 of those products, or 4. 3 or 4. I never can remember. Y'all know, you know me. I never can remember. But and I also received the Beauty Boost, which is like $15 a month for extra add-on. So let's get into this box. If you guys are interested in receiving the Ipsy Icon box, or the regular box, or the glam bag, I would make sure to leave the link. I'll make sure to leave the link down below. So let's get into this box. I hope you guys are doing well. Now let's get into this video. So here's the box right here. Okay. Of course, it's already opened. Okay, so I guess I think it's called the Ultimate Box or something like that, I think. So Ipsy Ultimate. And the curator for this box is Natasha Denona. Here it is right here. Boom. Okay. We do have some items inside. Okay, it looks so bad. But I guess I'll just have to buy it myself. Anyways, let's get into this box, y'all. So the first product I'm pulling out the box is this eyeshadow palette by Natasha Denona. And this is called the Yucca palette. I thought I had this, and I probably do. I don't know, y'all. I thought I had it, but I don't think I have. I don't know. I might have and I might not. Anyhow, here it is right here. This is the back. I don't think I have this one. And if I do, it's been a while. I want to say I got it, but then I don't remember it. Alright, so here is what it looks like. There's the back. And here is the palette right here. Beautiful, beautiful. I did plan it today, as y'all can see. It's like 9 o'clock. Yeah, it's like 9 o'clock at night. And I did this maybe around 1, 2 o'clock. Very pretty, very, very pretty. These shimmer shades are so pretty. It's been such a while since I even sat. It's been such a while since I even sat and played in like any makeup, y'all. So here are some of the shimmer shades. We got 5 right here. Boom, 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 and boom. I love Natasha Denona shimmer shades. They're just so pretty. So pretty. The shimmer shades like this, like I can use them for highlighters. You know what I'm saying? I mean, this color is a little bit out there, but you can still use it for a highlighter. But this is pretty. I'm hitting the mic. Beautiful palette. I love this palette. I love her shimmer shades. And I love the mattes. The mattes are so soft and so beautiful and just chef's kiss. So here is the Yucca palette by Natasha Denona. I love this. I'm happy to get this. I am happy to get this. I really am. So the eyeshadow palette is going for $69, and that pays for the box. Next item is by 5 cents, and we have a perfume, and it's called Happy Tears. Okay, the notes in here are orange blossom, Arabian jasmine, white peach, vanilla, and creamy musk. And this is 1.0 fluid ounces. This was really pretty. This was pretty. Oh, that's so pretty. Definitely smell the peach, the orange blossom. Just, oh, this is so strong and fruity. If you love fruity scents, this is it. Okay, this is so beautiful. If you guys love a fruity perfume, this is it. This is beautiful. Definitely heavy. Mm, definitely heavy on the peach, heavy on the orange, and you definitely get that jasmine. Beautiful. I love this. I love this. Definitely gonna be bringing this out for this spring, okay, for next year. Gorgeous. All right, so that is our second item. It's by 5 cents, and this is called Happy Tears. Mm, that's really pretty and strong too. That's really fruity. I don't see it in here, y'all. That is really pretty. Gorgeous. I don't see it in there, y'all. All right, moving on to the next item. I think I chose it. This is a cleanser. I took it out the box already so that my daughter can use it. Anything from Tatcha, I'm definitely down for it. Like, I love receiving anything from Tatcha. They're expensive, more higher end to me, in my own opinion. Um, but yeah, we definitely have a, what is it, a matcha cleanser? Matcha cleanse. So we have a cleanser, a matcha cleanse. Massage onto your wet face. Rinse thoroughly. Avoid eye area. Rinse thoroughly if contact with eyes. Yeah, we definitely digging this. We definitely digging this. Anything from Tatcha is definitely a win in my book. So, and I don't know. These are, I want to say this is expensive. I don't know if it's $60 to $100. I'm not sure, but I know that it's pricey. Let's see if we have it in here. Okay, that's not bad. Not bad as I thought. So this is $40. $40 for this. Not bad. All right, the next item I'm pulling out the box is by Natasha Denona, and this is a pastel plexi glow highlighter. I wanted to get this a while ago, but I didn't because I wanted to pick this up, but I never did. This is so hard to get out this damn box. All right, so this is what it looks like. Boom. And this is the highlighter. This is the highlighter. I don't know. It don't look good on. It don't look good in the light. Let me see. Maybe doing too much. I don't know. It's not looking too good on camera. It's okay. It's not bad. It looks prettier in the light. Like it looks prettier off camera. Because it's looking a little dusty, but it's really not. Anyways, this is our highlighter. We're going to definitely use this in one of the upcoming videos. So this is a highlighter by Natasha Denona. Okay. Okay, next we have a tumbling mascara by Persona, and I did use this today. I love these tube mascaras because I love the wand. You see what I'm saying? My lashes are really, really small. I'm not gonna go in and just get them together. It worked pretty good on my lashes earlier when I used it, so not bad. Again, I like the smaller ones for my smaller lashes. So this is a mascara, and this is by Persona, I think. Persona. One of the two, Persona or Persona. Y'all get the gist. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Okay. That is our fifth or sixth item. I forgot the prices. Let me see if they got the Natasha Denona highlighter in here. So this is gonna be $24. So $24 for that. And then let me look and see if they got the highlighter that I just showed y'all in here. Mm, I don't see it. I could be overlooking it, but I don't see it in here, y'all. Yeah, I don't see it. It's all good. All right, moving on. All right, so the next item in the box is by Rhodial, and I am happy to see them coming back, honey, because I haven't seen them in a minute. And this is a glass powder. So this is a loose blurring powder that I'm definitely going to try out. Okay. We're definitely going to try her out because I love me a powder. I don't always use setting powder, but I definitely like to have some good ones around just in case. Oh, this is nice. This is real nice. This is what it looked like. And again, it's a glass powder loose setting. It's a glass powder loose setting powder. Okay, this is the front. Very nice. This is a back. This is really nice. I'm digging it. And that is what it looks like. Very nice. I love the look, Rodal. I love that. All right. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. How much is that going for? Okay, that's going for $59. Damn. That better be that better be some good powder. 59 bucks. But I'm happy to get it. All right, the next one is by Milk Makeup, and this is a brow gel. So here it is right here. Y'all, I'm not big on brow gels because I don't keep enough brows to buy any brow products. So this is a Kush Fiber Brow Gel right here, again by Milk Makeup. Boom. I'm not gonna open it because I don't know if I'm probably not gonna use it, but we'll see. Hmm. Shape and defines brows. I have to try it. We'll try it. The next product is by Natasha Denona as well, and this is a lipstick. This is so pretty. Ooh, that's so pretty. So nice. What's the shade? Okay, the shade is Berry Pop. So here it is right here. Boom. And this is what it looks like. That's pretty. Oh. Yeah, I don't know. I don't wear too many reddish berry color lipsticks, but it's okay. I need to start wearing more colored lipsticks. This is pretty though. I'm happy to get it. We're gonna try it out though. Y'all like that color? Yes, no, maybe so. All right, not bad. Not bad. I mean, my it's not my usual color that I wear, but it's pretty. All right, boom. I think this is our last item. So that was the last item in the box. Um, and then we have our $15 beauty boost right here. And I did choose this. This is by Dr. Brandt. I think I chose this. I think this was the I think this was the $15 beauty boost. I'm almost positive, but I'm not 100% sure. So the $15 beauty boost for the month is by Dr. B Lab, and this is a hydro glass prep serum gel. Okay, so here it is right here. And for those of you who don't know, like I used to hate getting skincare products, and now like as I'm getting older, I'm like, damn it, I love all this. I love all the skincare products. So here it is, right here. Is this Dr. Brett or Dr. B Labs? I'm thinking it's Dr. Oh, this is slippery. I think it's Dr. Brent. I'm not sure though. It smells really pretty. That smells nice. Oh, that smells like a lotion. That's that's really pretty. I like that. I like that smell. So that is our beauty boost, y'all. This is our beauty boost for the month, Dr. B. And it is a serum gel, okay, for the face. I'm thinking for the face. Very nice. That is it for this video. Let me know what you received in your ultimate box down in the comments below. Do you still get Ipsy? Do you not? Talk to me in the comments. I enjoyed that box. I definitely enjoyed that box. And I think my favorite products in that box was the Natasha Denona products because I love me some Natasha Denona, okay? And I also love receiving the I'm also happy to get this by Tatcha. So that is it for this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see all you beautiful, blessed people in my next video. I am Madonna, and I'm out. Bye, y'all. Bye.